In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy process of replacing the battery in your Audi A8 key fob. All you'll need to get this done is one replacement battery, which is a CR2032. They're very inexpensive, you can get them online, and if you're interested, you can go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. First step, flip over the key fob, find the button on the bottom there, press that down and pull out the internal key. Now over here on the face of the key fob, you can see this part right here, that is actually a button. So you're going to push that down, and while holding, pull and wiggle, and this part will come right out. You can just remove the battery very easily. Take your new CR2032, and when you're ready to put that in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. Just click that into place. And with the buttons facing up, the battery will also be facing up. You'll just slide that in, push it all the way down, and then you can put your key back in there. And if you want to make sure everything's working, you can press the buttons and make sure that the light is turning on. So that's all it takes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, remember you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.